All right, hello. My name is Jacob, and in today's SmartSuite session, we'll be creating and editing spine labels. So in today's session, we'll be covering how to access existing spine label reports, printing them, everything they need to know about that, and also how to edit them as well. During this live session, this is live, you can speak to me over here. There's a chat bar right here. You can place in your comments there or questions, and I can answer them to you straight away. Additionally, you can also contact us through the support page. So from the system menu, right at the bottom, there is support, and there's a plethora of ways to get in contact with us or find other ways for help. So spine labels. To access spine labels, we'll go up to the system menu again, head over to reports, which is just over here, and jump into reports. So from this page, we have reports created by FSI, and down here we have spine labels. There we have a list of all the default spine label reports. You want to go ahead and find the one that you use. In today's video, I'll be using the Ratio 12601 format. Click that and then open it up. From here, we can just scan in our barcodes. I have some ready to go right there, and then I can hit generate. Then we have a couple of spine labels. We can then go ahead and print this out by clicking this button here. Give it a second to generate the report, and one's been downloaded. Now I'm using Google Chrome, and I'll have to open this up in a folder, and then right click it and open it up with a PDF viewer. We have it. And the reason we do this is that if you use a browser to open up PDFs, there is some the printing settings of browsers aren't compatible with spine labels. You'll get some alignment issues. That's why you have to use a PDF viewer, because you'll get access to some printing settings I'll go over with now. So I'll open up the printing settings from the PDF viewer, which is, for this example, Adobe Acrobat Reader. And from this window, we need to make sure that actual size and choose paper source by PDF page size is selected. And this way, the spine labels won't be misaligned. So do that again. So after we've downloaded the report, we need to go and find it, because if I do open it through here, this method does not support the settings we need to change, and you'll get misalignments with the print. Do you want to open it up, which is the option is to go downloads here. Make sure you have show in folder, and then you can right click, open with, and then you choose your PDF viewer. And then once it's opened, you're going to hit print, and then choose actual size, and choose paper source by PDF page size. Then you can just press print. Your spine labels will be printed. Heading back into spine labels, what if we have a spine label sheet that's only half the stickers have been used, and you don't want to waste the entire thing? We can actually use the entire thing of spine labels. Say you've used the first 5 stickers of a spine label report, but you don't want to waste the rest. So what you can do is here, down at the blank name right here, there's a little text box. You can input 5 right there, and hit generate. Now what this will do is it will make 5 blank spaces, and this will allow you to use the full stickers of your spine label piece of paper. Next is, how do we edit this? Because for example, we've got here, we'll change this back to 0, generate it again. How do we edit this? Because we have the Harry Potter book down here. The title doesn't fit. So what can we do about this? Well, we can go ahead and configure these reports by clicking configure. This will make a custom report. As you see here, the name's already been changed to a duplicate. And so we're just going to make sure this is a bit more defined better. So let's go Baker 12601, title smaller title. Go ahead and click save, and then we can jump into template. And here we have all the settings for spine labels. On the left-hand side here is how many rows we have of spine labels on each piece of paper. This will be 9 rows per A4 piece of paper with 2 columns with a cell gap of 2 and a row gap of 0. And width and height is the size of each individual spine label, and this is the rate code 12601 default width and height. And you can also set a default amount of blanks per page. Now we wanted to change the size of title, so what we can do is scroll on this bar here. We can scroll this down and move this to the right, get access to this gear icon, and we can edit the spine label directly. So we want title to be smaller, so we can highlight that, click font size, and choose small. Then we go ahead and click save again. Now when we generate these spine labels again, title is now smaller, and we can see the entire title of the Harry Potter book. Now this looks a little bit weird with this being small and the rest being big. We can go back into configure, go back into template, scroll this to the right and click that gear icon again. Highlight everything, and just choose small once again. Click save again, and then once we generate it, there we go, it looks a little bit better. That's how we can edit spine labels. Additionally, if you want to configure these to your own stats or want to use a different spine label, we have a list of spine labels, all their widths and heights. You can access it by going to the help icon. So I'll go this in a new tab. And then searching for spine labels. Spine labels. And then we have an article here called Recommended Spine Labels for version 3. And then we have a table here, all the widths and heights of each spine label. And finally, we'll go back to the report page. To access that spine label that we just made, because we did click the configure button, it did make a new spine label. That custom report now is located under reports created by me. Where spine label is located, you click that, and we created rate code 12601 smaller title. So to recap, from the home page, we can access spine label reports by going into the system menu, going down to reports, clicking reports. Then we can access the default spine label reports from clicking spine labels under reports created by FSI. Choosing the one we want to make, clicking it and then clicking open, inputting your own barcodes, generating it. Then you can print it or change it further. You can also create some blank spaces. That's about it with spine labels. Quick rundown on how to use them. That's everything I have for today. So thank you for watching. I'll stick around for a couple questions if you have any. If not, have a great day. Bye for now.